Okay, so I'm doing another meal prep today. I got bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange. I have them seasoned with avocado oil, salt, pepper, garlic, basil, and paprika. I'm gonna do chicken, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. I'm gonna air fry the bell peppers right now, and then I'm gonna work on my Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I'm putting the air fryer for 20 minutes on 400 degrees. And then we're gonna check at 10 minutes, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, 10 minutes. This is the second batch I'm doing. I forgot to record, so this is how they're looking at 10 minutes. Just gonna toss them a little. Okay. And back they go for 10 minutes. This is how my first batch came out. Okay, so my peppers are done. This is how they look like. Now I'm gonna do my Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna 400, 20 minutes. Okay, here I have my cauliflower, and I'm just gonna real quick show you the stuff that I use. I'm gonna first start with the avocado oil, just like everywhere. Paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and basil. So I'm gonna do garlic powder, basil, paprika, and salt and pepper. I need both hands, so I'll be back after I do that. Okay, so now it's nice and tossed, everything's covered. Got my Brussels sprouts. I'm doing them in batches because they're kind of pretty big. So that's my cauliflower. Now I still gotta do my broccoli and then my chicken. Okay, so my first set of boxes are ready. This is gonna have the bell peppers and the Brussels sprouts. So that's what they all gonna have. Right now I'm making the cauliflower. I put it for 400, and I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna see how they turned out. I might also add cheese to them. I'll see. Okay, so this is my cauliflower. I added some mozzarella cheese. Got my broccoli in here. Making. And my chicken is, when the broccoli is done, my chicken will go in. I did avocado oil, salt, pepper, basil, paprika, and a special like blend that I have, and mix it all together. And yeah, and then somewhere in the middle, I'll add the Jack Daniel's honey barbecue sauce. And that's gonna be my lunch for the next 5 days. Okay, so I added the broccoli to the cauliflower, and I also added cheese to the broccoli as well. So these containers are gonna have my broccoli and my cauliflower with cheese. And then I'm doing the chicken. I just put it in there. I'm gonna do it in batches. It's on 400 for 20 minutes. I'm gonna check it at the 10-minute mark to see how it's doing. Okay, so this is how it's looking after 10 minutes. I just wanna break it up a little so that it cooks good in between everything. Mix it. Okay. And put it back. Put it back. So I added some of the honey barbecue sauce at like the 4-minute mark, and this is how it came out. I think it looks amazing. So now I'm gonna add it to my containers and do the second batch. Okay, so I added the barbecue sauce and I'm just gonna mix it so that all the chicken pieces are coated with it. And I'm gonna put it back into the air fryer for the last 6 minutes.